Alright, so we're still following up with our One Light series. I started this like, I think 3 videos ago, and this is like our 3rd or 4th one, I'm not too sure. But we're going to be using this One Light again just to see if we can create like very nice portraits in the studio. What I have is a brand new 7-foot parabolic from Westcott, and let me actually show you how tall it is. This is a 7-foot one. Obviously, when you open it like an umbrella, it's going to be a lot bigger than this. And this is actually a shoot-through. So this is not like the smaller one that you guys saw early on where it had a silver inside and a black on the outside. This is translucent. And so when you're shooting, the light is going to go through that and then light your subject. I'm going to set it up and then we're going to test it out to see how it looks. But then again, this is also quite affordable and you can get like really nice light out of it because of the size. You can easily shoot portraits and also like 3/4 shots, which we're going to explore today. So let me get this on my light and then I'll walk you through the lighting setup and then we can start shooting.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me. Yeah, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can't wait to shut it down. Want to show me how you work it.
All right, so I have set up my One Light, which is going to be lighting our beautiful Boachua, who is going to be helping us out with the video today. And all right, so going back to the light, how I have positioned it is I don't have the center part directly on here. If this is the middle part, right, it's just coming straight across. But because it's big and because the light is also not like deep inside, what it's going to do is just bounce around in there. So we're using actually the spill from right here to light her up. But because of the size and the way I've positioned it, we're still going to get like a lot of wrap around and we're going to get like very soft, even light on her. So what we can do is I can take some pictures so you guys will see how it looks with that alone. And if we want to add more depth or contrast, I'm just going to bring my large reflector and we're going to use the darker side of it or the black part of it. And that's going to absorb some of that light that is spilling around and give us some shadows on that side. So I'll show you both and just show you that you still have some versatility with your One Light. So let's jump into shooting and you guys will see everything as I, capture the images. Are you ready? All right, so now that we have figured out where our light is going to be, now the next thing we need to do is figure out the lighting. And what I always like to do is turn off the strobe first and then just take a shot of what's going on in our scene. So this is my first shot. So please keep this pose so that we can compare. Currently, you can see that we don't really have like a lot of light going on in the frame. All right, I'm just gonna increase it one more. So I'm at 1/200, f1.8, ISO 50. I'll take another shot. All right, cool. Now you can see that we don't have a lot of light in the frame, so now we're going to add our main light. That one is set to group B and currently is at 1/32. I'll take another shot. Beautiful. I want you turning rather towards the light so that we have like majority of the light lighting you up. Perfect. Let's take one more. Awesome. That's really nice. Okay, I think we can just go ahead and then capture a few more frames. So just keep moving. Beautiful. Yeah, that's nice. Can I just bring your body, not so much here, perfect. Just a little, yes. And then just move your hip all the way to, yeah, perfect. Oh yeah, I like that, I like that, I like that. If you like the way the colors in my images look or you simply want to be able to retouch with consistent results, then check out my digital store. I've got some great color presets and LUTs like my melanin skin tone LUTs that are designed to help you color grade with less effort. My workflow retouching actions are also available to help with your retouching game. You will retouch better and with results that you can repeat over and over again. If you want them, then head on to phloshop.com/store or check the link in my description box to get yours today. Thank you so much for supporting. Let's get back into the video. Okay, now let's just work on the expression a little bit more. Just soften your face, chin up a little bit. Perfect. Ooh, I love that. And then just bring your arms out a tiny bit. No, so the way they were like this, I just want you to open it up like that. Yeah, just a little bit. And then still chin up. Perfect. Ooh, I love that. Stunning. Can you just move a little bit this way? Yeah, right there. Okay, cool. Ooh, I like that, I like that, I like that. These are amazing. Okay, I want to add a little bit more light, so I'm just gonna go up on my strobe. I was at 1/32, now I'm at 1/32.7. Oh yeah, I think I like these. Beautiful, one more. Oh, I like that. One last shot. Awesome.
The body don't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again.
So I'm bringing my large reflector in, and hopefully this should just allow us to add a bit more contrast to the shots that we are capturing. And I may also just flip to the silver side so that we see what difference that makes. Okay, and just recycle the poses. Perfect. Ooh, I love that. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. You can see the shadows have become a lot deeper because of the black side of the reflector that I just added. And that's making it more dramatic. I think I like it.
Like a ghost, and never answer when I hit your phone. If you wanna go, just let me know. I guess I never should've let you in so close to my body. I should've known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body.
Awesome. Let me flip to the silver side of the reflector. And I just see if this is also going to help open the shadows. So again, let's just recycle the poses. You don't need to do anything too different. You can see the silver side of the reflector just opens up the shadows. It adds more light. It looks really, really good.
I wish I never got in your bed that night. Oh, and every time somebody comes close, I always...
Yeah, stunning. Oh, I love that. Can you turn your face towards the light? Oh, perfect. Okay, one more shot.
I should've known, nice. Just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body.
Have you seen some of the images?
Yeah.
What do you think about them? All right, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you got some value out of it. If you did, leave a like and we'll create more simple videos like this. I didn't mention the price of this parabolic umbrella is going for $99. So if you're starting out and you want to get like a simple one-size-fits-all modifier, I think this is going to be like your best bet, because you can take like very close-up shots, and then you can also take three-quarter shots like I mentioned. The light is simple, it's flattering, it's suitable for almost all kinds of people, right? And it's also amazing and affordable. So if you want to get it, the link is down below. Click on it to get it. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and remember, don't ever give up.